Amidst the waves of uncertainty, the 2023 recession holds the potential to be a sea of opportunities for those who dare to navigate its depths with a resilient spirit and a strategic mindset.
It's probably the most dangerous time ever. There's nothing to compare it to, because there's never been a world economy before. For example, 100 years ago, if there was a stock market crash in England, it didn't affect anybody. But now the US market goes down, the world goes down. So plus with social media and all this we're doing now, and so we've never been here before.
It was a manic Monday in the financial markets. The Dow tumbled more than 500 points after two pillars of the street tumbled over the weekend. Lehman Brothers, a 158-year-old firm, filed for bankruptcy.
I don't think anyone really expected a bank as big as Lehman to be in a position that it's in now.
I'm thrilled to have you here because today, we're diving into a topic that's often met with apprehension: how to strategically use the 2023 recession as a springboard to wealth.
My first investment was a gold coin in Hong Kong. I bought a Krugerrand. I was flying off an aircraft carrier in Vietnam, and I went to Hong Kong and I bought a gold Krugerrand. The date was 1972. The reason the date's important is because in 1972 it was illegal for Americans to own gold. So I had to smuggle that little puppy into America. I put it in my pocket, came off the ship, and nobody checked, But I felt like a criminal as I smuggled this gold coin, because it was illegal for Americans to own gold after 1933 under Roosevelt. But that gold coin today is worth almost $2,000. It's called the Lindy effect. This Nassim Taleb wrote about it. He says anything that's been new in the last 20 years will be gone in 20 years.
I know it sounds counterintuitive, but history has shown us that recessions can be a fertile ground for those who are well prepared. So, if you're ready to harness the power of opportunity amidst adversity, make sure to stay tuned and hit that subscribe button, along with the notification bell, so you never miss our wealth-building insights. What is recession?
I hope I'm wrong, but I think we're heading for a global depression. The economy stays down, it's hard to come back up.
Let's start by understanding the lay of the land. A recession, simply put, is a period of economic decline. Consumer spending drops, businesses tighten their belts, and job security becomes uncertain. However, within this complex environment lies a tapestry of opportunities waiting to be woven. 1. The wealth mindset. Before we delve into strategies, let's address the most crucial aspect: your mindset. Cultivating a wealth mindset during a recession is like finding gold in a mine. It involves embracing challenges as stepping stones, maintaining positivity, and staying open to creative solutions. 2. Identifying recessional trends. One of the most exciting aspects of a recession is the emergence of new trends and consumer behaviors. Analyze these shifts and see where you can add value.
And I'm excited about it because I make more money in crashes than I do when they go up. But for the average person, they'll get wiped out. The best time to start a business is right after a crash. I made more money after 2008 than ever in my whole entire life. Everybody can do something, but you got to figure out what you can do. Get some balls out there and get ready for whatever is coming.
It could be by offering essential services, repurposing existing products, or capitalizing on new technologies. 3. Entrepreneurial alchemy. Now, let's talk about entrepreneurship. Recessions can be a fertile ground for innovation. Have a business idea? Now might be the perfect time to bring it to life. With reduced competition, lower costs, and potential market gaps, your entrepreneurial dreams could flourish.
But for the average person, they'll get wiped out. The best time to start a business is right after a crash.
4. Strategic investments in a downturn. Strategic investments can be your ticket to wealth during a recession. Stocks, real estate, and commodities often see a dip in prices. Remember, the key is to invest intelligently and for the long term, leveraging the eventual economic recovery.
Events. I had a buddy down in Texas outside of San Antonio that had a few extra acres by a river, and he turned it into a wedding event space. He made a lot of money, about $20,000 a month from that. An Airstream, I love this idea. I actually own a couple of Airstreams myself, and a friend of mine bought a few acres up near the Grand Canyon, and he put 10 Airstreams up there, and he rents them out for $200 a night on Airbnb. Using that same concept, tree houses, sounds crazy, but they're really popular nowadays on Airbnb. Or a tiny house. You could build that on some extra property that you have.
5. Education as an investment. Use this time to invest in your knowledge bank. Upskilling, taking courses, or acquiring certifications can enhance your employability and set you on a trajectory toward higher earning potential.
Maybe you don't have enough money to buy real estate with extra land right now to use as that cash flow. RV rental, this is piggybacking on the Airstream idea, the Airbnb Airstream. A buddy of mine in California bought a $30,000, $40,000 RV, and he's actually renting it out on a brand new site that's just like Airbnb. So you've got your RV, it's sitting in your driveway, collecting dust, doing nothing. Now they have a site, just like Airbnb, where you can put up your RV, someone rents it for a week, they drive to your house, leave their car, pick up your RV, you show them how to use it, they take it for a week, they pay you $100, $200 a day, they bring it back, you're good to go. You're buying an asset that's gonna maintain its value if you can buy that at a good price, but you're also cash flowing it. And in a recession with this baby boomer population, they're not gonna be able to afford to buy their own RV, but we've got this glut of people that are retiring right now. It could be a great opportunity for you to go out there and provide something to them that they can no longer buy, but they can still rent.
6. Prudent financial management. Amidst the excitement of potential opportunities, let's not forget the foundation, financial management. Budgeting, cutting discretionary expenses, and building an emergency fund are paramount to weathering the storm.
What investments make sense to you? Continue to increase that skill set, that knowledge, and discover your investor DNA so you become a better investor, because risk, guess what? It's not in the investment, it's in you, the investor. So instead of getting into survival mode when there's a downturn or a difficulty, you can thrive because you're a leader. You can be productive. You've got liquidity. You've invested in yourself. You've protected the downside by being mindful of these things. So when that recession hits, the key is keep your eye on cash flow. Build up plenty of liquidity. You'll be prepared to grow when times get hard. You'll make money on the buy. You'll be looking at everyone else that is saying, please help me, and you can be of help. And you can be one of the 1/3 that become even wealthier during the next recession.
7. Networking for success. They say your
Whatever doesn't kill you will make you stronger. When you go to the gym and you pump weights, you push 100 pounds, that means the next time you push, you might go 105. So bad times will make the strong.
Say your network is your net worth. During a recession, networking can be a game changer. Collaborate, share ideas, and forge partnerships. Together, you can create synergies that propel everyone forward. Segment 9. Learning from recessional icons. Drawing inspiration from those who triumphed during past recessions is a wellspring of wisdom. Look at companies like Microsoft, which blossomed during a recession, and learn from their strategies. Conclusion. Wrapping it up, my fellow wealth enthusiasts, remember that every recession carries the seeds of opportunity. By fostering the right mindset, identifying trends, pursuing entrepreneurial endeavors, making astute investments, and continually enriching your skills, you're not just surviving, you're thriving. I hope this video has equipped you with insights to navigate the 2023 recession with confidence and purpose. If you found value in this content, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and share it with your fellow adventurers on the path to financial prosperity. Stay tuned to channel name for more empowering discussions. Until next time, keep your ambitions high and your spirits even higher.